Is your workplace ready for 24/7 vending? Here's what you need to know. Today's teams work around the clock, so access to snacks, drinks and meals shouldn't stop at 5 p.m. That's where Venda's free vending machines come in. Compact and secure. They fit into any space and operate day and night without supervision. No theft risk, no need for staffing, just reliable access whenever your team needs it. And the best part? It's completely free. We handle the installation, restocking and maintenance. Plus, your business earns commission on every sale. You choose the products. We do the rest. From healthy options to energy boosters, Venda keeps your team going 24/7. Ready to upgrade your workplace? Contact Venda today for your free machine.